Do you want a festive something that is not rice? Then let's prepare Nigerian chicken pepper soup. Chicken pepper soup is the bougie sibling to Nigerian assorted meat pepper soup. So this is the one you should be serving during the festive season unless you are sure your guests prefer assorted beef pepper soup. Here are the ingredients you will need. Ehu, that's calabash nutmeg, the only seasoning you need for the classic pepper soup taste. This is not the same as ordinary nutmeg at all. This is what it looks like up close. This is the peeled one. And this is the ground one. Just grind the peeled one with a spice grinder and you are good to go. Then you need the chicken for the tastiest chicken pepper soup. I'm using hard chicken, that is hen or the one we call old layers in Nigeria. Rooster or cockerel, that's the male chicken, is tasteless. Ho-ha! I'll not touch it when I'm preparing pepper soup. You can see that I cut it into tiny pieces. You don't want your guests to be fighting with the pieces of chicken or worse, resort to using their hands while eating the pepper soup. So tell the butcher to cut the chicken into single bite pieces or the smallest size possible. Seasoning cubes or bouillon cubes, chicken flavor. You need peppers as much as you like. We don't like hot spicy pepper in this house, so I'm using 1 habanero pepper. This habanero pepper is so hot. And then the sweet pepper to add more color. If you'll be adding a lot of habanero pepper, you don't need sweet pepper because you have enough red color in there. You need red onion. For vegetable, I'll use parsley because I don't have scent leaves. That's nchanwu, efirin. If you're in Nigeria, use scent leaves. Outside Nigeria, no other vegetable comes close to scent leaves. Not basil, not mint leaves, especially not mint leaves. Mint leaves will ruin the taste of the pepper soup for anybody that has authentic Nigerian taste buds. I'm telling you now. You need thyme and salt. Add the spices and seasonings to the well-cleaned chicken. Yes, you need to rinse the chicken very well in plenty of water because chicken cut this small will definitely contain lots of tiny bones. So make sure you rinse all the bones off. I stirred the chicken without adding water. I keep doing that till the chicken turns pale. Then add the chunks of onion, our usual style. My YouTube family members, those who follow this channel bumper to bumper, please tell our other family members why we are using chunks of onion instead of chopped onion. I want to see the first person that will answer this in the comments. This is the quantity of sweet pepper I'll be adding to the habanero pepper. You don't need a lot because we are not cooking stew. This is pepper soup. For pepper soups, I prefer chopping my peppers to grinding or pounding them. Pick the parsley. You can add as much as you want, but usually you don't need a lot because you don't want the leaves to overpower the rest of the ingredients. Again, this is pepper soup, not soup for swallow. Meanwhile, I am boiling rice over here. That's what we'll use to enjoy this pepper soup. You can also serve it with agidi, but how I like my pepper soup combos are chicken pepper soup with boiled white rice, and assorted beef pepper soup with agidi. Yeah. Keep checking the chicken and top up the water when necessary till it's well cooked but not too soft. When done, remove the chunks of onion. I always make sure the liquid is at the same level as the meat. Add the pepper, the leaves, and click the like button. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? You don't like pepper soup? Cook for at most 1 minute. Add salt if necessary. And serve to your guests. And that is my food taster, Chayoma. Hey, I'm gonna be offended. One spoon, you're already thumbing up. Have you liked this video yet?
This is wonderful. You need to come and taste it because it's wonderful.
You're doing them on your throat now, Abby. So this is how we eat it in Nigeria.
What is that?
With a bottle of malt or small stout or any chilled drink of your choice. Hey, show me my no get 7 longer throats. Anywhere.
And the malt is chilled there.
You want to kill them, you want to kill them, no? Hey. Okay. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Let me continue,